Tell me a story.
Like my story?
No, not your story, a story.
I don't think I know any stories.
You don't know any stories?
No.
All right, I'll tell you a story.
I keep my head high. I got my wings carrying me. I don't know freedom. I want my dreams to rescue me. I keep my faith strong. I ask the Lord to follow me. I've been unfaithful. I don't know why you call on me. This is my canvas. I'ma paint it how I want it, baby. This is my canvas. I'ma paint it how I want it, nigga. Fuck you, cause there is no right or wrong, only a song. I like to write alone, be in my zone. Think back to Forest Hills, no perfect home, but the only thing like home I've ever known, until they snatched it from my mama and foreclosed her on a loan. I'm so sorry that I left you there to deal with that alone. I was up in New York City chasing pennies, getting gone. Had no clue what you was going through. How could you be so strong? And how could I be so selfish? I know I can be so selfish. I can tell by how I treat you and my girl. Yeah, she's so selfless, but she put her with my ways because she love me like you do. And no, it don't always show. I love her just like I love you. I keep my head high. I got my wings carrying me. I don't know freedom. I want my dreams to rescue me. I keep my faith strong. I ask the Lord to follow me. I've been unfaithful. I don't know why you call on me.
By the time you hear this, I'll probably already be outie. I advance like on from toting iron, going and buying 4 or 5 of the homies to Iron Man Audi. My daddy told me, slow down, boy, you going to blow it. And I ain't gotta stop to beat a minute to tell Shady I love him the same way that he did Dr. Dre on the Chronic. Tell him how real he is, or how high I am, or how I would kill for him to know it. I cried plenty tears. My daddy got a bad back, so it's only right that I write till he can march right into that post office and tell him to hang it up. Now his career is LeBron's jersey in 20 years. I stopped when I'm at the very top. You shitted on me on your way up. It's about to be a scary drop, cause what goes up must come down. You going down, I'm something you don't wanna see. Like a hairy fox, every hour, happy hour now. Life is wacky now. Used to have to eat the cat to get the pussy. Now I'm just a cast me out. Ow, I'm classic cow, always down for the catchweight, like packing out. Y'all are doomed. I remember when T-Pain ain't wanna work with me. My car starts itself, parks itself in all tunes. Cause now I'm in the Aston. I went from having my city locked up to getting treated like Kwame Kilpatrick. And now I'm fantastic compared to a weed high. And y'all niggas that's gossiping like bitches on the radio and TV. See me, we fly. Y'all bugging out like Wendy Williams staring at a beehive. And how real is that? I remember signing my first deal. Now I'm the second best, I can deal with that. Now Bruno can show his ass without the MTV Awards gag.